Okay, traders, yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold spot, and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 26th of May to 30th of May. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. So now this is technical analysis, and I'm going to point out the key levels of support and resistance, and also I do the wave counts now as you see here, and also I'm going to interpret the candlestick and the candlestick patterns. So under conference of all these factors, I am able to provide a possible market move on gold in the coming week, and it is the top-down analysis from monthly time frame, and I'll be going down to the 4-hour time frame, and in 4-hour time frame is where I provide those possible key levels for taking trades in the coming week. So make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So in monthly time frame, actually we see everything is clear, so nothing has much changed, but we have left with just 5 days for the monthly candlestick to close. So at least now when monthly candle close, so we'll just get some information regarding on what is expected to happen on June. But actually, based on what is happening, we see buyers are gaining momentum. So yeah, it seems like we may expect a further push to the upside in the coming week, but actually this is not guaranteed. In the remaining 5 days of the week, anything can happen, but for now we may have those informations in lower time frames that can guide us with a possible market move in the coming week. And also remember, we are trading at the key level. Now we have this trend line here, so yeah, at the level of support or resistance, anything can happen. Price may whether reject or can break and continue to the other direction. So let's go straight to the weekly time frame and see what are the key levels. Okay, now the week time frame is now very beautiful, as we see now this week has confirmed with the stronger bullish momentum that is also expected in higher time frame, now the monthly time frame. And now this exactly correlates with what was projected in the previous week analysis. So if you have not watched the previous video, actually you can go and watch to see now what was the projection and what has exactly happened in the market. So now with this weekly candlestick, now we may expect price may do a further push to the upside, because now this region here may be considered as just it was a correction. So currently we may just expect it for the possible continuation, but it's not 100% confirmed, because we still see some waves were completed here. So it is now less possible to have these waves correct while prices expected to go to the upside. So other updates will be provided, so make sure that you visit www.asamforex.com and you go to daily updates now to see what are the possible daily changes or market projections. But currently we expect another bullish candle is expected to be formed in the coming week. Then straightforward to the daily time frame. Now let us see exactly what is happening. So daily time frame has a clear market formation whereby a sort of flag pattern was formed right here, and actually it seems to be an ABC to the downside. So if you look clearly, you may see we have this A here, B to the upside, and C was completed right here. So if this is ABC, it means now this correlate with what has been said in higher time frames, now the monthly and weekly time frame, that currently we may expect a further push to the upside because correction has already been completed here. But sometimes now correction may form combinations, so one corrective structure may combine with the other, so it is possible. So we may also expect another corrective structure being formed after completion of this ABC. So we have to be cautious about what is expected to happen after completion of this corrective move. But now beautiful thing here is just we have this key level to the upside, so price has approached the level. So actually whenever price goes to a technical level, it can either break or it can bounce, so anything is expected to happen. And also here we have a horizontal resistance level. So the basic concept here is just the moment you see a daily candle, maybe on Monday, when you see a Monday candle has closed above these two lines, now the horizontal and the trend line here. So when you see the Monday candle has closed above this level, so we may expect a further push to the upside. But a rejection is also possible. So if rejection will occur, we will be also watching this level down here for price to bounce back to the upside. So that is an overall picture, but the 4-hour time frame is going to provide us with all the possible entry levels. So okay, now in the 4-hour time frame, now this is the final time frame, so at least we can see now the details. So you can see now market is very clear in this time frame, whereby the wave counts now seems to be completed right here. The 5 wave move to the upside has possibly completed here, and also we have the channels. Price has been respecting, and one of the beautiful projection for this week, it was now it is just another projection. Now it was this one, so this was the final projection for this week. So we're projecting for a possible bounce at this level. Then the price did the same and continued to the upside. So you can visit www.asamforex.com and go to the analysis section and look on daily updates, so you'll see the projections. Okay, so fine. Now if those wave counts and the drawings are going to be respected, so basically now price is expected now to reject this level here. That is one, and also we have this level down here. Price also can do something with this one, either breaking or rejecting to the upside. But with the current projection in higher time frames, in most cases we have to focus with the upward move. Okay, so that's the very basic concept now, and the general concept now for the coming week. So how are you going to trade next week? Okay, so next week now we'll be watching for buy opportunities. So now we have two options on how we are going to take those buys. So if we'll see on Monday price until now the end of Monday, if you'll see until the end of Monday, now we have price trading above this level of resistance. So if you see candle has closed above this level, so we may expect further buys up to this level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, now the 34-35 level. That is one way on how you're going to buy next week. Alternatively, now price may reject up to this level. Now it may retrace up to this level down here, now 32-31. So if price will come to this level, we may also watch for possible buy opportunities, and we will continue also buying to that same target, and the price is expected to go further to the upside with these projections. So that is primary projection. And alternatively, now you can now take high risk trades now by selling, especially when the price come out of this trend line level here. So when the price is out of this, so you can now start taking some sells with the first targets now around 32-31. And if this level is going to break, so you can further take some sells. We have another level here, so you'll be looking on the previous levels of support and resistance. So once price has broken this level down here around 31.27, so we may expect a further fall or a serious fall in price of gold. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you consider those key levels, do your own analysis, and watch analysis from other traders. Thank you and have a powerful weekend.